Look at this mountain of peppers. Not a basket. Not a few crates. An industrial flood of chilies. Moving non-stop. Because this factory produces peeled chili peppers at massive scale. Welcome back to Factory Flow. Today we are going inside a peeled chili pepper mass production line to see how fresh chilies are sorted, washed, blanched, peeled, cleaned, and packed. Fast, consistent, and with zero room for mistakes. It starts with raw peppers arriving in bulk. The first step is sorting. The line removes stems, leaves, and damaged pods, then separates peppers by size. That sizing matters, because peeling only works well when the peppers behave the same inside the machine. Next comes washing. The peppers ride a conveyor through rolling water sprays and bubbling wash tanks that lift away dirt and field residue. Brushes clean the skin, and rinse jets finish the job. Clean input means fewer defects later, especially once heat is applied. Now we hit the key step, blanching. The peppers move through steam or hot water blanchers for a short, controlled time. The goal is not to cook them fully. The goal is to loosen the outer skin so it can be removed cleanly. Timing is everything here. Too short, and the skin stays stuck. Too long, and the pepper flesh softens and tears. Right after blanching, the peppers are cooled quickly to stop the heat. Then they move into peeling. Some factories use friction rollers and gentle abrasion. Others use water jets and mechanical separators. Either way, the objective is the same: remove the thin outer layer while keeping the pepper body intact. This is where mass production gets tricky. Peppers are thin, curved, and delicate. If you peel too aggressively, you shred them. If you peel too gently, you leave patches of skin behind. So the line is tuned like a precision tool. Roller pressure, speed, and water flow all balanced for a clean peel. After peeling, the peppers go through inspection and cleaning. You will see workers and cameras checking for leftover skin, broken pieces, and foreign materials. Any out of standard peppers are removed, and the rest are rinsed again to keep the surface clean and smooth. Now the peeled peppers can go in different directions depending on the product. Some are left whole for stuffing and cooking. Some have stems and seeds removed for sauces and fillings. Some are cut into strips for ready-to-use packs. But whatever the final form, moisture control is critical, because excess water ruins texture and shortens shelf life. So the line moves into draining and dewatering. Vibrating conveyors, air knives, and spin systems remove surface water without crushing the peppers. This step looks simple, but it protects quality. Dry surface means cleaner packaging and longer stability.
Prepare peeling.
Finally, packaging. Peeled peppers are weighed into portions and sealed, often in vacuum packs, brine packs, or chilled packs, depending on storage requirements. Labels and batch codes are applied for traceability. Then cartons are stacked for shipment. And that is the peeled chili pepper mass production process. Sorting, washing, controlled blanching, precision peeling, inspection, dewatering, and sealing. Powered by an incredible amount of peppers moving through one continuous line. Now, tell me in the comments, would you use peeled chilies for stuffing, sauces, stir, fries, or hot pot? If you enjoyed this factory tour on Factory Flow, hit like, subscribe, and tell me what process you want next.